Okay, welcome back to another video, guys. Same day, different video. And today this video gonna be short. I'm gonna try to make it short as possible. Like I said, like always, hope you're having a good day, good night whenever y'all see this right here. Hope y'all doing well. And today, man, I'm just gonna be showing you pretty much this thing right here, this grab bar right here. And like before I got it, it wasn't a lot of videos on it, so it kind of, I wasn't just too completely, it was like one video about it. So, you know, I wasn't too, convinced to get it, but I did anyway. And like I said, it looked nice. It real sturdy. Like I said, it don't wiggle at all, especially you put on that right. If you want to know how to install it, it wasn't that hard. It just kind of, these bolts right there, them bolts right there, it was very hard to, it was just weird. Like I said, you only got a couple bolts to put in there. Same for each side, so that's just 8 bolts. And it was real easy. It was hard but simple to install, put like that. And like I said, you got plenty of room. The reason why I want to upgrade, because I was messing up my back right here with my old grab bar, put my foot in there to pop wheelies, and I just needed more room. So like I said, I like these right here, soft toes, you get steel toes, it's going there, no problem. You got room there. And even when you pop wheelies, me popping wheelies with these, it's great. I thought we were gonna be too far out, it was gonna scrape it a lot of times, but actually it makes it a lot easier, for you to squat down on it. And even when you balancing to that balance point, it even it improved that too. A lot of people says it also improved the exhaust sound. I'm not sure about the sound, but I know it sounds crazy. It seemed like it ran a lot smoother, so I don't know. Like I said, I didn't hear the difference in the sound. Maybe it could just be this HMF full exhaust blackout. I think this is the vertical cone around it right there, or maybe it's the position of the pipe. I know for me it didn't make it no difference. So if you're gonna buy it for the sound, I wouldn't. But as far as sturdiness, room, and just even give it a new look, I say this right here, a must buy. I paid $95 for mine like last year, and not last year, like couple months ago really. And yeah, that's pretty much all it is to it, man. But like I said, you got room there. I don't regret buying it at all. So I got mine from Amazon for the ones I might put a link, or I might just give you the name. But you get the name, you put the name in the search bar, it should pop up. But yeah, man, I hope y'all enjoyed the video. Hope I ain't made too long this time. And yeah, have a good one. Like, subscribe, and yeah, that's pretty much all there is to it.